Log in to your course. Click the link where you will find your assignments. Read the instructions. The name of the assignment is the link that will allow you to upload files. A hand icon is shown when you hover over the link. Now you are in the upload area of your assignment. Scroll down. Click Browse Local Files. You can select the files one by one and click Open. Once you click Open, the file name should display in the File Name text box. If you have selected the wrong file, you can click the Do Not Attach link to remove the file from the selection. You can also select all the files at once by clicking the Control key and selecting the files. Now you have three options: Cancel, Save Draft, and Submit. Cancel would take you back to your course contents. Save Draft would save the files for you to view and change later if you want to, but it would not be submitted to the teacher. While Submit would finalize the assignment files and submit it to the teacher. If you do not have multiple attempts, then you cannot change the files anymore. After clicking Submit button, you should wait a while depending on the file sizes. If the file is of a larger size, it would take time to upload, so do not close the tab or browser. Once your files are uploaded, you will see a submission confirmation number, and you will also receive an email from the Blackboard system, verifying your upload with upload date and time, and all the file names and file sizes. You should also get a preview of most the common file types, such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint or text files.